guys, good day. Today we are going to talk about the homeostasis. So guys, what is homeostasis? It's the control system of the body. What control system of the body it is? It uh, it's basically the concept of the constancy, or it's also called as the homeostasis, as the body tries to maintain its parameters or near to the perfect value, normal value, or the constant value. It's known as the homeostasis. So guys, homeostasis is basically controlled by a control system, and this control system can be basically classified into three types. It's the negative feedback, positive feedback, and the last one is, guys, feed forward. So guys, in the negative feedback mechanism, we basically require three things. So that is, first of all, stimulus, sensors or receptors, and effectors. And in positive feedback mechanism, it basically is as the stimulus increase, the effect will also increase. So guys, how can I say that like the stimulus will increase and the effect will also increase? Such as in the coagulation cascade. In the coagulation cascade, as you all know, one factor will promote the another factor to come and bind. So cascade of coagulation or coagulation cascade. And what other example can we take, guys? It can be like action potential, as the sodium influx case more sodium influx, so we can classify it as a positive feedback mechanism. And what else, guys? Such as shock, or to be specific, hypovolemic shock. As the hypovolemic shock, what it is, guys, it's the basically decreased blood flow, and it will lead to the decreased perfusion also. So it will lead to the weakening of the heart, and again, like, with the weakening of the heart, the shock worsens with this thing. And guys, what other example can I take? Such as LH surge during ovulation. Okay guys, so let's move towards the feed forward again. Feed forward in this thing, guys, no stimulus is required, and what it basically, guys, this system anticipates a change and gives a corrective measure in the feed forward. So that's why it's also known as the anticipatory system. So guys, what are the example of feed forward? Such as the body temperature regulation. What I mean with the body temperature regulation is such as, guys, there are basically two body temperatures, such as the shell or the skin temperature, or the inside of the core temperature. So if it's the shell temperature or the skin temperature goes down, there will be what will happen, the temperature of the skin will decreases itself according to body. But if the core temperature will go down, will start shivering. So that's how, guys, like sometimes one stimulus is not enough to just produce a response, or it's not so important according to the body's evolutionary mechanism. And guys, again, towards the negative feedback mechanism, what are the examples? So examples can be BP regulation, blood glucose regulation, and the last one is endocrine hormone regulation. So that's it guys for this video.